All right, guys, today we're doing a song by Poisin, Something to Believe in. A really fun 80s song to learn on piano. It's a 46th hired request of 2018. Let's take a listen. Right there. And the singing will start right after that. Well, hello everyone. I'm Sean Cheek. Welcome to my Easy Piano Lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson right here, but all of the lessons for this are already on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your phones and your tablets and your laptops, whatever you're wanting to view on. Look me up on Facebook. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. All right, let's get started here. If you are a complete beginner, I might want to recommend to you my beginner lessons on Web Piano Teacher. There are 79 of them just to get you started, get you used to my method of learning by ear. And, some of you just jump in and start playing right away, so maybe you're one of those. But here we go. So we have some flats in this. We're in the key of E flat, so lots of B, E, and A flats. We're going to start with left hand on an E flat on the 5th finger, and then we're also going to have a thumb on an E flat on that higher E flat. The right hand starts with a B flat, then left, right. So go together, left, right, wait a little bit, and then, so we have that left hand thumb E flat again. We go straight to F and B flat with 2 and 5 on the right hand. Then we go to G, and we come down. I recommend fingers 1 and 3 for this, for B flat and E flat, and then to C with your second finger. So the rhythm is bum, ba, bum, ba, ba, da, ba, da. Okay, that next measure is A flat, C, E flat on the right. I'll use 1, 2, 4. You can use whatever you want. I'm just letting you know what I'm using. Left hand on the low E flat again, and then 2 of the thumb E flats, da, da. That can be right or left hand. There's a video that goes with this, and the guy sitting there, smoking the cigarette playing, is not playing this. It took me a while to figure that out. It's like, it doesn't look like he's going up when it goes up. He's just playing something, but he's not actually playing what's going on there in the video. So, in the album, we know what we hear, and that's what I have right here. So if you happen to watch the video and go, hey, he's in a different place or different octave, that's what I found out. So it's bum, ba, bum, ba, 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 ba. All right, and I have the measures marked out there with the bar lines if you're counting, if you're a counter. So right here it's 2 left hand E flats, then right hand A flat to E flat, back to the left hand E flat, da 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 da. Now I'll try to count that for you a little bit. Ready and beginning, da da da, 3, ba ba da ba da ba ba 2, 3. Right here, we're actually, kind of starting that phrase again, bum, ba, bum. And so I have that E flat in the right hand. It could be in the left. It's whatever you want it to be. You can go left, right, or right, right, depending on how you're feeling that day. But it's E flat, G. So bum, ba, bum, 1. So here it's F, B flat, again, to G. Now that E flat can be left hand or right hand. Some of you want to do it with your right hand, some of you with your left. I'm going to do it with my left, I think. That E flat can be left or right. And then B flat, E flat, up high, back to the E flat, back to B flat, E flat, and to C. So, da 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 da, like that. So I like those E flats with the left hand. And then ba, ba, ba. So it's A flat on the right, left hand on E flat, and then 2 of the E flats, right or left hand, whatever you want. And then ba, 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 ba. Here it's low E flat, and then E flat, A flat, C. Again, that E flat can be with either hand. So from the very beginning, go bum, 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 da, da, da. Now here we go 1. We kind of we're in a swing. Da 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 da. You know, short long, short long, short long. But now we're gonna go to a straight rhythm. 1, 2, and 3. So what we have on the right hand are G minor chords. If you just look at the right hand, G, B flat, D, F, A flat, C is F minor, back to G minor, and then A flat, C, E flat. Okay, if you include the left hand, we have E flat major 7, and then there we have either an F minor or E flat, or you could look at it as an F minor 7 if you want. Those of you who are into naming chords, back to E flat major 7, and then an A flat chord with an E flat in the bass. It's a second inversion, 6/4 chord. So here we have together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left, now together, left, right, left. Roll it, that little upward arrow. If you follow me, you know exactly what that means. You're just going to roll it like that. All right, so let's start here again on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and then we start the singing. So, very beginning, go 1, da, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Right there. Da, da. Right, and right there in part 2 on Web Piano Teacher, we'll continue there, and there's a whole page here, so I'll have to scroll up. There's another page to do, but I'll take you through every note on webpianoteacher.com. Hope you guys enjoy this part 1 lesson. Talk to you later.